Okay, student. I am on page number 22. Here is a page 2.6. Got it, everyone? Now, first here, President. Write the names of the people holding the following posts in our country today. Write the names of the people holding the following post in our country today. Now, first is President. Who is the President of India? Now, student, Mr. Ramnath Kovind, our President. Mr. Ramnath Kovind. Okay. Now then, second is Prime Minister. Who is the Prime Minister of India? Mr. Narendra Damodar Das Modi, our Prime Minister. Prime Minister, Mr. Narendra Damodar Das Modi. Now third is Chief Minister of your state. So our state is Rajasthan. So who is the Chief Minister? Mr. Ashok Gehlot. Mr. Ashok Gehlot, our Chief Minister. Now then, fourth, Governor of your state. It means Rajasthan. Governor of Rajasthan. So Mr. Kalraj Mishra is our Governor. Who is Mr. Kalraj Mishra, our Governor. Okay, student. Now revise. President Mr. Ramnath Kovind. Prime Minister Mr. Narendra Damodar Das Modi. Chief Minister Mr. Ashok Gehlot. Governor Mr. Kalraj Mishra. Now then, second question. How did you find out the above information? ये आपको जो information है कैसे मिली? We found these information by our subjective teacher, by newspaper, by TV, etc. How did you find out the above information? We found these information by our subjective teacher, by newspaper, by TV, etc. Okay, student. Hope you all understand this activity. After that, move on page number 23. Name two representatives working at each level of the pyramid. This is the pyramid. This is the pyramid. Okay. Now, name two representatives working at each level of the pyramid and the task they perform. पिरामिड में हमें नेम्स राइट करने हैं. कैसे नेम्स राइट कर रहे हैं? रिप्रेजेंटेटिव वर्किंग एट ईच लेवल, की जो वर्किंग है वो किस लेवल पे. जैसे फर्स्ट में हम राइट करेंगे, हमारे 3 लेवल्स पर है. सेंट्रल लेवल, स्टेट लेवल एंड देन लोकल गवर्नर. तो फर्स्ट इज सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट, सेकंड स्टेट गवर्नमेंट एंड थर्ड इज लोकल गवर्नमेंट. सो इन फर्स्ट हियर we write it down: president, prime minister and union minister. In first we write it down president, prime minister, union minister. Now in second we will write governor, chief minister, ministers of state, because our government is divided into 3 levels: first central, second state and third local level. So in first we are writing president, prime minister, union minister. In second governor, chief minister, ministers of state. Then in third municipal commissioner, mayor, sarpanch. In third municipal commissioner, mayor, sarpanch. Clear to all? Very good. Now list one reason why you think the local government is at the base of the pyramid. One reason बताना है कि क्यों local government भी इस pyramid में शामिल हुई या बेस है pyramid का. Because they are closest to the people and can easily identify the problems of the people. They can also be easily reached in time of need. लोकल गवर्नमेंट को इसलिए इस लेवल में शामिल किया गया क्योंकि लोकल गवर्नमेंट ईजिली लोगों के नज़दीक रहती है, सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट स्टेट गवर्नमेंट हर जगह नहीं जा पाते, बहुत सारी परेशानियां होती हैं जो विलेज लेवल पर होती है, टाउन पर होती है, सिटीज़ में होती है, तो इनको शॉर्ट आउट करती है म्यूनिसिपल कमिश्नर, मेयर एंड सरपंच. That's why we write it here. They are closest to the people and can easily identify the problems of the people. They can also be easily reached in time of need. Done? Okay. Then move on page number 24. Complete the mind map. Here our government is. What is here? Government is. So write the definition of government. What is the government definition? The government, a set of people who take care of the needs of the people in an area, we call it government. Okay, where we are? We are here. Now, government. Government is formed by a set of people who take care of the people in an area or a country. Clear? Then Government of India, central government, state government and local government. In central government, representative. President already here. Then Prime Minister and Union Minister. Below the President, Prime Minister and Union Minister. Then we move on state government side. Okay, representatives. Chief Minister already here. Then in first Governor, second Chief Minister, in third Ministers of State. Done? In first Governor, second Chief Minister already here, Minister of the State. Got it? Then representative in local government. Sarpanch already here. Then Mayor and Municipal Commissioner. Sarpanch already here. Mayor and Municipal Commissioner. Okay, student? Now then, take care of in central government entire country. Okay, same as we write it here. Take care of a state maintains the law and order in the state, carries out programs for the development of the state. Central government take care of entire country. Okay. Now state government take care of a state, maintains law and order in the state, carries out programs for the development of the state. Write it here. Now take care of village. Then provide services such as roads, public transport, fresh water, etc. Our village provide services such as roads, public transport and fresh water. Got it everyone? Okay. Now then, it is question time. Fill in the blanks. First, the head of the government in a village is the Sarpanch. Now second, our central government is headed by the Prime Minister and each state government is headed by a Chief Minister. Because in central government headed by the Prime Minister, in state headed by the Chief Minister. Now, third, maintaining good relations with other countries is the responsibilities of the dash government. What is the question here? Maintaining good relations with other countries is the responsibilities of the dash government. Central. Write it in third, central. In fourth, unlike the states dash are directly ruled by the central government. So answer here is union territories. Now fifth, dash are people appointed by the government specifically to maintain good relation with other countries. Ambassador. In fifth, answer is ambassador. In first, Sarpanch. Second, Chief Minister. In third, Central. In fourth, Union Territories. And in third, ambassadors. Okay. Then, true false first. The services provided at the village and cities level are controlled by a local government. It's true, because the service provided at the village and cities levels are controlled by a local government. Yes, it is true. Now second, state governments carry out their roles in their respective states. True. It is also a true. Then move on next page. Third, people people who form the government are called the representatives of the government. It is true. Fourth, union territories are governed directly by the state government. Union territories are governed directly by the state government. False. Union territories are governed directly by the central government. Now students, answer the following questions briefly. First, give an example each for the three main functions of the government. ईच एग्जाम्पल्स देना है. थ्री मेन फंक्शंस, गवर्नमेंट के थ्री मेन फंक्शंस में से आपको आंसर देना है. नाउ इन सेकेंड, लिस्ट एनी टू रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज ऑफ द सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट. सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट की टू रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज हमें बतानी है. नाउ थर्ड, नेम सम रिप्रेजेंटेटिव्स ऑफ आवर लोकल गवर्नमेंट. लोकल गवर्नमेंट के रिप्रेजेंटेटिव्स हमें राइट इट डाउन करनी है. फोर्थ, स्टेट थ्री रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज ऑफ आर लोकल गवर्नमेंट, और फिर उनकी थ्री रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज भी बतानी है लोकल गवर्नमेंट की. सो स्टूडेंट, इन फर्स्ट थ्री मेन फंक्शंस ऑफ द गवर्नमेंट, सेकेंड एनी टू रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज ऑफ द सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट, थर्ड some representatives of our local government, fourth three responsibilities of our local government. Okay, in detail. First, what are some of the main functions of our government? Explain with examples. Some main function बताने हैं गवर्नमेंट के और उनको एग्जाम्पल्स देके एक्सप्लेन भी करना है. It is a long answer student, that's why here is a 2. What are some of the main functions of a government is 1, and second, explain with examples. Okay. Now second, explain the structure of the government of India. Then explain करना है structure government of India का. So student, our second chapter is complete. So thank you so much to listening me students. Thank you so much beta.